it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. Just stay here, Jake. And I'm with Jake.
Hello.
And we are at abandoned farm. We're at one of my dad's friends' party thing. I don't know. And we're just basically playing.
There's loads of ponds and lakes and vehicles. Oh, actually, there's a white quad over there.
And stuff like that. And we're just playing randomly around here. And we're going to explore it for a video. Alright, so this is the first part. And I'm just going to put my torch on. This is the first part. I don't even know. Alright, this is a door straight here. It's not very big. There's nothing around there. So that's the first part. Right, we're in the second part.
Whoa!
Whoa, your eyes are red. Right, that's the party over here. So we're not very far. Right, we're going through there. Oh my god. I'm going to try and get up here. So I'm gonna put my, oh my god. This is going to be hard one-handed. Right, we're not there. Jake, are you coming?
No.
Oh, I'm going to put my phone down. Hello. Right. Yo. Wow. This is a next level. Whoa, what is through there? Yo, that is creepy. Oh. Hey, Jake. Techers. That kid's got techers. What's that? I don't know what that is. It's just, I don't even know what this is. It's like a house. I'm not going through there. There's no way. Yeah, Jake? What? What? Alright, I'm gonna get down and explore a bit more. Right, we are exploring this. Oh my days, look, it's all smashed up to the chair out. You coming, Jake? We're gonna explore this. Oh my god,
It's the
look.
first time I've ever been in an abandoned video.
Right, how do I get up? Oh my god. I'm gonna hold that. Put my foot somewhere there. Right. Pull one hand. One hand. Right, hold on to the steering wheel. Right. Oh. Damn. Look at the roof. This is crazy. Look at that. Look at all the stuff. Can go 60 miles per hour. Damn. That is the start button. Probably won't even work. That's the handbrake. There's a lot more stuff down there. I'm getting out now.
To tell you.
Yep.
You know that sign there?
Yep. Look at this. Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at
The engine!
the engine. Look at that.
It's
Look.
huge.
It is huge. And it can only do 60 miles per hour. Oh.
Oh,
That's crazy.
what a
Right.
big...
I'm gonna get.
Oh my god, the oils come out!
Oh damn! Let's get out of here.
I just stood
Right, we are gonna explore here. Where? That's it. That wasn't a bat. That wasn't a bat. I'm having a look what is in here. Right, tell me guys what is in here. Because I can't see. Oh, just some. What's down there? I don't know.
Oh.
Right, so Jake, this is your first abandoned room.
Yeah.
Right, so do a commentary. Oh, look at that. That's not even that bad. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's a big one.
You know the bug.
What bug?
There's daddy long legs.
Where?
Right there. Zoom in. It's right there.
Oh, I can see it in the camera, but I
not
can't
that
see it in
bad.
real life.
So Jake,
Yep.
tell people what these is. What's in here?
They're just parts of tractors and wooden stuff.
And logs. Right, what is
There
it?
is a few.
That's a huge garage door.
To fit in that? Really?
What's that?
everything. Right.
There's doors, everything. So I think that's all of it. Do you?
Yeah.
First abandonment video. High five. Alright. See if there's any more. And if there's not, I'll do a commentary. Okay, see you guys. Right, we're in some more. Nah.
Logs and logs.
Yeah, just logs. Tell me now that it's not creepy if a head pops out. Well, I doubt there is. Look at the bats. Stupid bats. Yeah, the bats, look.
Whoa.
The bats. There's three. There's freaking three. Damn. That's not scary at all. I don't want to like jump in here and there'd be a massive swamp. So don't jump there, just go around it. Right, we're here at the door. Please be open.
Feels like with Ghostbusters.
Huh? Oh no, it's locked. Oh no, he's locked.
Okay, bye.
He's like, okay, bye. We're gonna explore like down here. We're getting a football. Alright, we'll end it here because there's literally nothing left. Alright, I can't jump this high, but tell me what's in here. I can't really see anything. Oh my god. I wanna look what we do for YouTube. Right, Jake, come here, we'll finish the video.
Go in there.
We'll finish.
Do you want to go in the window?
Right, come on, we'll finish the video. Right, if you guys enjoyed this video, lol, it stopped. Oh no, it didn't. Right, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and peace. See you around.